That bitch a real monster out there though. Boy, you in a monster, what? Follow. What's going on, huh? What's going on, man? You cool?
Outside on a weekday.
A weekday, man.
On a light day.
On a light day, you know what's going.
Just
had to, man, you know, just been. Hey, you know I had to do something. Hey, that bitch sound way better though. I swear to God, that bitch sound way better. What? Look, you feel me? Hey man, I know what it is. Pay way. DJ, y'all boy, go subscribe. Hey, I just started a car channel, so y'all subscribe that too. You feel me? SRT DJ, but I ain't in the SRT thing, but it coming though. You feel me? You feel me? Oh yeah. Woo! Y'all hear? Hold on, y'all hear that bitch? Y'all hear that bitch? Boy, that bitch clean as hell, boy. More Apollo in that 392. Y'all know I gotta go get some gas and shit, you feel me? Gotta get the gas, I gotta stay filled up. Nigga on E right now, you feel me? Niggas on E. Y'all know I pumped 87. If I was in the cat, I'd really be pumping 93 though. But right now I gotta pump 87. This right here, this going on the car channel. Gonna put out. Come on, man. There we go. Gotta get every drop, jet. Every drop. Alright, man. But this bitch so damn clean, bro. What the? But this bitch so damn hard. Hey, well, I'm gonna be glad to drive this bitch, boy. Mom. Yeah. That boy shit stupid. But y'all can see though. Downtown on a light day. Roll the windows down so y'all can hear that boy shit. You feel me? That boy shit clean as hell. Y'all can see. Late night POV. Little late night POV. Little late night POV, man. The city looks crazy. The city looks wonderful right now, man. Y'all can see we got the boats outside. That bitch go to jumping. That boy shit go to jumping. Damn. Y'all can see this shit is like we back to back, man. We got them bitches back to back. Got them bitches back to back though, man. You feel me? Look at that boy shit. Hey man, say man, you downtown. Y'all can see like the lovely view, P. The lovely view with the shits. Then we got a little, what's called it right here. Then we got the boats. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna stop talking for y'all. I'm gonna just stop talking. Just let y'all enjoy the POV. You hear me? But my shit sound good. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, boy. My shit sounds great. My shit sounds great. You feel me? Now that boy Pablo shit pulling up on the side.
That boy tripping. You on the wrong side of the road.
Oh, this a two-way? I'm thinking this a one-way. OG. Go ahead, OG, go ahead. He talking about I was on the Hey boy, he talking about I was on the wrong side of the road, man. You know we get a little POV. That boy shit sound good. Hey boy, this bitch get up.
I see that boy whipping.
That nigga's a real monster with this shit. That nigga's a monster with this shit, man. That boy got a monster out this bitch, man. Hey, boy. That bitch a real monster out there, though. Boy, you in a monster, what? That's that geek monster motherfucker, man. Ooh. On a light day, P. Y'all know how we do it out here in the city.
Let's go,
Man, this shit lovely. Yeah. Alright. Woo. Well, I'm keeping up. I done put that on, what's called it back on this bit? That cat? Alright.
I'm just saying, I'm straight up. I would get this on there. That boy shit sound great. Oh yeah, great scenery. Ooh-wee. Oh yeah. Scenery great, lovely, lovely. That's great though. That boy shit so damn clean, dog. You feel me?
boy shit slime. On the game, that bitch slime. No, I gotta get a little Instagram video. No. My damn ass hurting. I've been sitting down all fucking day, car. And it's hot as shit. My damn knee hurting, my damn foot, my damn leg. Everything hurting, bitch. Oh, what? That boy on the motorcycle. That boy shit popping. That boy shit sound lovely. Y'all see where we at right now? We in Riverside with the shits. On a weeknight in Riverside with the shits. Yeah, dig. But hey man, nigga probably finna go ahead and hit the crib though. Cause this shit is my fucking knee, my fucking, oh, he finna get his ass hit. Ooh! That boy is skirting that bitch, ain't no? On a fucking moped. On a mopegular. Damn!
Guys, man, free bus out, free Sleazy, free fire, he almost home, nigga. Hey, come on. Niggas can't guard me. I feel like NJ in his prime. I done lost a couple pins, but